Hi guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you how I'm going to use these fake plastic nails, because as you can see my nails is really very short. I purchased this from Molly's. It's a set, and as you can see it comes with buff and glow. So let's try. First I'm going to open this and fit every single of my nails. So let's get on.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
And voila, it's finished. So it's time for me to put the color. Yay! So I have this color I bought 2 years ago. It's funny how things now lalagay mo lang siya, just the usual Curix and keep doing until you finish, and voila. But make sure that it's totally dry before you apply the colorless. Apply each of the nails until matapos, then you have a beautiful nails, and you can enjoy the fake nails for at least 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, I hope this video does help for you all that is first timer like me. Just watch the whole video and follow these tips. It is very easy. It is very easy. It's my first time actually. So I hope you enjoy this nails looks. So am I really enjoyed it. So please, if you're new here on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to notify on my next video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.